Hi everyone, this is Aya, and today I have a Destash. Finally, I moved and I settled in, and as I said in the last video, I think, about my craft room, I received my new furniture. So I was able to put 4 boxes to Destash, that things I don't want, and maybe more, are coming up. But let's get started. Okay, this is the first lot. As you see, it's jam-packed with, what do you call this, chipboard. So I don't know how much in the, how many are, are inside, but they are a lot, literally a lot. I don't want to make a mess, but I mean, if you're interested, you want me to count them, how many, package, let me know in the comments and I will count. But for now, as you see, the box is full. So this will be lot 1. Lawn Fawn inks. I invested in a different set, so I will let these go. Let me show you the colors. And
also, I have some, scissors and distress inks. Distress inks. I think I just swatched them.
Lot 2 Lawn Fawn inks. I have this tray, to cut these movers and shapers. And I have the 3 sizes, and also I have circles. I think they are all down in the boxes. And okay. I'm sorry, I changed the camera, so that's why it's not wide enough. Okay, so let's start. So we have this die called Pail and Shovel. And even it's not focused. Then we have this die, Movers and Shapers, cut like a bag. This owl die. Okay, then we have stamp. Tim Holtz dies, make rosette. Then we have stamp and stencil by Dilution. Then dough die. Then we have 2 papers, 8 by 8. So you have this stamp set, this stamp set, Newton's and Knock, Honeybee, LDRS, Not Too Shabby Shop. This die by Elizabeth Crafts, Cottage Cuts. We have this word die, thanks, congrats, and hello. Have this die, this one, this die set, that one, this is stamp. Okay, these are kits. I paid for. There are 3 kits, but I received it and didn't do anything. I don't know how you can get to see the final card, but anyway, just use your imagination with all these die cuts and maybe you can make 3 beautiful. Sorry, the camera, I know, suddenly stopped. Okay, then embossing folder, sticky notes, another journal, and stencil. Then we have stamp, mini dies, stamp, this one, sentiments. Then we have here stamp and coordinating dies. Then we have another stamp and coordinating dies. And another stamp and coordinating dies. Yeah, and this is the square for the first one. So this is lot number 3. Lot number 4 is a watercolor set. So we have this watercolor for beginners. I like this book. And yeah, comes with CD. Okay. Then we have Daniel Smith watercolors. I'm trying to get rid of these paints as I have so many paints. So the thing about these watercolors that it might be mixed because sometimes, you know, they move if I store them wrong. So it will not, I'm not sure that it will not have the same arrangement as this. This is, you know, the first arrangement, but things get mixed. So maybe you need to try to do your own chart and compare which color is the nearest, then you can name it, because I wrote all the names. They are 97 colors. And these containers, I remember I paid $40 for these just containers. Anyway, and I'm going to throw this also towards part of a chart to try some colors if you want to try them. I didn't buy any one of these. Maybe this one, I'm not. What does this color do? No, I didn't. I have Verdian and Fuchsia. No, I didn't buy it. Okay, and because this is really pretty color. Then also I'm going to throw this one with the Daniel Smith. This is Calico brand. I didn't use it. Okay, so this is lot 5, and this is the last one. Bye, Habibi. This is lot 5. So again, we have swirl die.